Ukihana atia mwiroreri wa Kameme TV o haria hothe uratwirorera miaraho ya umuthi ni cireketie kwihanda thaa thita cia muthenya wa tariki 10 mweri-ini wa gatatu mwaka wa 2023 na ciahanda mathaa ta macio tuingiraga thiini wa tabarira ya Ndurumeni thutha wa gucanjamurwo ni Wangari wa Macharia mari na DJ Giant. Leo tukaingira uhoro-ini wa gukumenyithia ni ate maundu matiganite maragethie na mbere na kuhanika kundu gutiganite thiini wa bururi wa Kenya, na ni tugukorwo tukihungura thiini wa county citiganite tukiaraniria na andiki aitu a mohoro aria makiri cemba niguo tukorwo tukimurika ni ate maundu maragethie na mbere guku bururi-ini, na gukiri na maundu maingi maria maragethie na mbere uhoro wigi uteti. Mutongoria wa ngwataniro ya Azimio Raila Odinga ari kuria mwena wa Migori kwambiriria micemanio iria iragiuka thutha wake kwanirira uhoro wa mirorongano. ni tugukorwo tukirumirira kuona ni atia maundu magugikorwo maikaire, na ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Ngonjiri. Tukwambiriria kuria county-ini ya Naikuru. President William Ruto augite thirikari yake ni hotorete kung'ethanira na ito cia uici wa mahiu iria ikoretwo igitabania njuragano gicigo-ini kia rugongo rwa bururi. Ruto aheanite kiraniro giki hindi ya igongona ria kurikia mathomo ma mabitha a KDF giikaro-ini gia cadet kana gikiro-ini gia cadet mwena wa Lanet county-ini ya Naikuru. Reke riu tunyitane na mwandiki witu wa Njeri niguo akorwo agitumenyithia ni ndumiriri iriku ingi president akorwo akineana. Reke tuthikiririe.
And securing our nation. Kenya is laying the groundwork, equipping you with the capacity and authority to live up to its iconic ethos of discipline, integrity, honor, and courage. This affirms our confidence that you shall, over time, rise to your call of duty and demonstrate what you stand for as professionals and defend who we are as a people. I am encouraged to note that the Kenya Defence Forces continues to employ a futuristic approach to professional training and development in order to become progressively effective in a complex operational environment and to respond decisively to diverse and rapidly evolving challenges. In the Horn of Africa, peace and security efforts continue to dictate the regional agenda and dominate our engagements as we pursue the broader strategy to recover stability in what has, unfortunately, become a rough neighborhood. Countering violent extremism, combating illegal movement of small arms, peace building, and peacekeeping initiatives will therefore continue to occupy our security institutions now and for the foreseeable future. It is in this light that I appreciate the many neighboring countries who have sent cadets to train with us. This not only improves international security partnerships, but also enhances our collective understanding of common security threats in our region. Further, as our socio-economic transformation accelerates through regional integration, this partnership will secure the vitality of a thriving regional economy and guarantee the well-being of hundreds of millions of people in our region. I want to take this opportunity to remind our officers of their high constitutional mandate enshrined in the Constitution. Article 241, which establishes the Kenya Defence Forces, spells out that you are responsible for the defense and protection of the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the Republic, and further allows the KDF to be deployed to restore peace in any part of Kenya affected by unrest and instability. It is unfortunate that for many generations now, parts of our country have been besieged by armed bandits who have killed innocent, peaceful, and law-abiding citizens and plundered communities with impunity. As a result, families have been displaced and impoverished, the provision of public services disrupted, a whole generation of children have missed school, and development held back as the rest of the country moves forward and parts of our country remain behind. The fundamental rights and freedoms under Article 26, 28, and 29, particularly of life, dignity, freedom and security of affected people, have been violated consistently without redress. Article 21 states that it is the fundamental duty of the state and every state organ to observe, respect, protect, promote, and fulfill the rights and fundamental freedoms in the Bills of Rights. The dangerously misguided idea that people can acquire illegal arms, mobilize to commit murder, robbery, violence, and other criminal acts, and in the process displace, torment, cause suffering and insecurity to peaceful communities must and will come to an end. We have made our commitment to end cattle rustling, banditry, and other criminal activities in every part of Kenya. I am absolutely confident that we can rely on the KDF and our security system to secure the sovereignty and territorial integrity of Kenya as mandated in the Constitution without any difficulty whatsoever. We will be decisive in stamping out banditry and neutralizing every bandit who denies or who defies the government and attempts any illegal or criminal acts. Every bandit must be brought to book. Every illegal gun surrendered willingly or by force, and every child must go back to school. I have directed the military to work with the Ministry of Education to rebuild all destroyed schools to allow children to go back to school. As we appreciate the Defense Forces and Security Services for their steadfast patriotism and commitment to the security of our country and safety of all citizens, let us also salute those gallant soldiers who paid the ultimate price in the line of duty. The best way we can demonstrate our appreciation is by supporting our security services, providing information that can assist them in doing their work and doing our share of community policing. Let us also live up to the aspirations of our fallen heroes by fulfilling our patriotic duty to enhance and deepen national unity, cohesion, and tolerance. Let your ethnic or religious diversity be your strength in serving Kenyans of all walks of life from every part of the country to the best of your ability and without fear or favor. You will be our ambassadors and advocates of unity in diversity. To the commissioned officers, I want to record here that I did take time to sign personally each and every of your commissioning instruments. As you proceed with your duties, I urge you to stay mindful of the high expectations of the people of Kenya, with the encouraging reminder that as a matter of proud tradition, the Kenya Defense Forces has always met and even exceeded these expectations with distinction. As long as you remain true to your sacred oath, serve your nation faithfully, courageously, honorably, and diligently, you shall do well without undue difficulty. You are the next generation of military leaders, and you must be ready to sustain the institution's legacy, reputation, and tradition of excellence, which
Ucio ni President William Ruto agitariria uhoro wigie mibango ya thirikari uhoro-ini wigie maundu ma ugitiri na ni agikorwo akiheana mubango mukinyaniru hau wa ciiraniro cia uria thirikari yake gukorwo iking'ethanira na itoina makiria muno kuria mwena wa Baringo na kaunti ingi ta 6 guo iria cikoretwo cigomeirwo ni itoi cia uici wa mahiu, na ni akiuga ati mbirarũ no nginyagia cikinyite itemi hari gutigirira ati bururi wa Kenya ni ukigacirite kiugitiri. Mĩario ĩno ya president ĩgĩũka thutha wa ndũmĩrĩri ĩrĩa ĩrarekereirio nĩ minister wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Kithure Kindiki mũthenya wa ira ũhoro wĩgiĩ ũgitĩri na ũrĩa thirikari rĩu ĩrenda kũingĩra thĩinĩ wa gĩkĩro gĩa kerĩ kĩgiĩ ũgitĩri ũyũ. Reke rĩu tũthiĩ kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Mombatha. Gĩkundi kĩmwe gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari nĩ kĩhotorete kũgacĩrithia mũtũrĩre wa mbeũ njĩthĩ na atumia na njĩra ya kũmahũra njeki na kĩgĩna kĩa mathomo ma kĩwonjoria aria megũkorwo makĩgunĩka na ũteithio ũyũ nĩ ikundi iria ikoretwo ikĩhunjia thayũ ũrũmwe na kũmenereria marĩa kana kũmenyerera marĩa matũrigicĩirie mwena wa gĩcũa-inĩ. Na rĩu tũkũnyitanĩra na mwandĩki witũ Ndegwa wa Gathũngũ. Angĩkorwo nĩ ũrakĩnjigua Ndegwa, no ũgĩtũtarĩrie ũhoro wĩgiĩ gĩkundi gĩkĩ na nĩ atĩa maũndũ magĩbangĩtwo mwena ũcio?
Thegio muno wiko studio gathie na mbere na kunyamukira na njira njega muno makiria kuma mwena wa gĩcũa-inĩ na makiria ni thiini wa kaunti ya Mombatha na muthenya wa umuthi. Ndurumeni ya Kameme TV iramurika kiungano kimwe kiria gicokaniriirie anyiti itemi kuma sekta itiganite itemi rinene ari guteithĩrĩria mbeũ njĩthĩ o hamwe na atumia kwĩyũkĩrĩria kĩwonjoria o hamwe na kĩmũtũrĩre na njĩra ya kũhunjia thayũ o hamwe na gũtigĩrĩra atĩ ũgitĩri thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Mombatha nĩ wathiĩ igũrũ kana nĩ wagacĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire. Na hihi nĩguo tũkorwo tũgĩtaũkwo kinyi nĩ ũhoro wa gĩkundi gĩkĩ nĩ ngwenda twambĩrĩrie gũthikĩrĩria ũrĩa ũrũgamĩrĩire gĩkundi gĩkĩ. Naam, asante mama kwa kubali kuongea nasi hapa Kameme TV. Ningeomba uanze na majina na pengine utueleze kuhusiana na mkao wa leo.
Asante kwa majina, mimi maarufu najulikana kama Mama Shamsa. Leo tuko hapa ku launch seed grant ambayo nimeanzisha baada ya mimi kupata tuzo nchi za Uarabuni. Nilipata tuzo ya milioni 61 kwa kuendeleza amani, na hiyo pesa ni lazima irudi mashinani ifanye kazi kuhakikisha amani inadumu.
Na pengine mmekuwa mkihubiri amani katika vijiji na kufanya vijana waache uhalifu. Pengine mtakuwa mnachukua hatua zipi zaidi?
Nashukuru kwa hilo, tumekuwa tukilifanya, lakini mbawa zetu zilikuwa zimekunjwa kwa sababu tulikuwa hatujawezeshwa sisi. Tulikuwa tunazungumza lakini ule uwezo wa kufanya mambo makubwa tulikuwa hatuna. Lakini kwa hii grant ambayo nimepewa itatuwezesha kufika mahali kwingi zaidi ya kuliko vile ambavyo tulikuwa tumepanga, na itaweza kutuhusisha kufanya sisi tuhusike na vikundi zaidi na kupenya kuzungumza na vijana zaidi wawache uhalifu na wao wawe wana nchi wema na kuhubiri amani ndani ya nchi zetu.
Asante sana. Wacha tunasikiza kijana hapa na pengine nitakuuliza swali. Vijana wengi ni kama huwa hawafuati maagizo ya ulezi bora. Pengine wito wako ni upi kwa vijana wenzako?
Kwa wito wangu ni kuhakikisha kuwa sisi kama vijana tumesimama upya, kwa sababu inasemekana kuwa vijana hatufuati maagizo ya malezi bora, lakini pia hata yale malezi sometimes huaga magumu mpaka vijana tunakeuka zile sheria hata nyumbani. Mostly pia tusilaumu sana wazazi, sababu mzazi fence yake ni pale nyumbani tu. Kijana akitoka nje kuna marafiki, kuna watu tunachanganyikana nao, watu ni tofauti. So baada sisi kama vijana tutaka tusimame katika nguvu mpya, tuhakikishe kuwa tutawekeza amani, tuhakikishe katika mji wetu tumepata investors, biashara zirudi, sababu investors wengi wamekimbia kwa sababu hakuna usalama. So usalama ukipatikana tuna imani biashara zitarudi, ajira zitakuwepo na tusonge mbele pamoja kama taifa.
Naam, asante sana. Wacha tunasikiza ofisa wa serikali naye pia atueleze maoni yake. Tumeona hili ni kundi moja la kijamii ambalo limefuata mkondo wa kushirikiana na serikali na haswa sekta ya security. Pengine wito wako ni upi?
Napenda kushukuru sana. Kwa majina mimi naitwa Henry Rop. I'm the Senior Assistant County Commissioner hapa Kongowea Nyali. Nafikiria siku ya leo nimekuja kushuhudia mama ki-launch hii prize ambayo alipata, inaitwa Said Award for Humanity, ambaye iliambatana na karibu milioni 61 ambaye mama anataka kuiregesha mahali iende kwa jamii. Hii itasaidia sana kwa sababu security is not a monopoly of anybody. Nataka kushukuru sana hii award ambaye mama amepata, na anataka kutuwezesha sisi zote kama security agents kufanya kazi yetu. Hizi tents ambaye atuletea katika sub counties itasaidia in terms of baraza. It's an enabler kwa sababu itakuwa rahisi sana ukitaka kufanya baraza kama ACC, ukitaka kufanya baraza kama chief, kama mzee wa mtaa, itakuwa rahisi kwa sababu you will not use money to hire these tents. It will be free, it will be available. Nafikiria hii juhudi itakuwa mzuri sana. Nafikiria mwaka 3 iliyopita nikiongea juu ya Nyali, tuliembark on badala ya kutumia ambayo inaitwa hard force, tuliamua kuchange policy kutumia soft force. Kuongea ni kwa sababu gani hawa vijana ambao wanaenda kufanya uhalifu. Na tulipata ya kwamba hawa vijana hawajasoma. Ukiona majority of them ile level of education is standard 3 ama standard 4. What do you do? So mama amefikiria, tulikuwa na tumewaongelesha wamereform, but what next? If you reform somebody na umpatie chakula, what do you expect? Yatarudi kwa ile uhalifu. So the best thing, we want to enable them to have somebody to eat. Each and every day wako na watoto lazima wa feed. So I think hii wazo la mama la kuleta kitu ambayo inaitwa seed micro enterprise, kuwapatia kama hata ni kuweka kuku, kuweka car wash, hizi biashara ndogo ndogo, waende Kongowea market, waende waweke viazi gunia moja. In the next 2 years we will see a big difference kwa sababu kutakuwa na very good examples ambayo ukiangalia vijana wataona wamereform, they are getting food on their table.
Asante sana kwa kuongea nasi hapa Kameme TV.
Asante sana.
Asante. Naam, mwiroreri wa Kameme TV ucio ni uge wa anyiti itemi thiini wa sekta ya ugitiri magiteterithia kuga ati no meguthie na mbere na kwariria mbeu njithi mwena wa Gicũa-inĩ, tukiririkana ati namba nene ya mbeu njithi mwena wa kaunti ya Mombatha ni uragira gukorwo ikiingirira thiini wa ikundi itari njitikirie ni watho, na uguo gaka niko kahinda maugite ati ni megutigirira mbeu njithi ni makorwo na wigiriri na guthie na mbere na muturire wao uria kwagirire. Kuma kaunti ya Mombatha, ritwa riakwa ni Ndegwa wa Gathungu, Njokie Mwaro kuruwe wiko studio.
Oneguo gukihana kuria kaunti-ini ya Mombatha, mbeu njithi magithie na mbere na kumulikwo na njira iria yagiriire mwena ucio, na ona mbeu njithi no tugukimoria magagikaraga makiigite thayo na kuingiria maundu-ini maria magibatie. Tuthie kuria kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, magana ma aigithia na onjoria ni magomanite mwena wa Olkarau kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua, kuria magomanite gucenjania meciria hari maundu matiganite. Ni igongona rikinyitio ni atongoria a ngatho itiganite kaunti-ini no, mihang'o ino ikirugurio ni gavana Kiarie Badirisha uria uritie muingi wa Nyandarua witikire kwiyumiria niguo mathome horo wigie biashara. Na ruto kunyitana na mwandiki witu Mwangi wa Wawira uria urarumanirira na igongona riu, angikorwo ni urakijigua mundu gwitwo Mwangi, maundu magiikarite ate mwena ucio?
Thengio Kimani, ndiragĩkwamũkĩra wega ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe kuma gũkũ Olkarau kaunti-inĩ ya Nyandarua. No toguo agĩkorwo gĩtarĩria nĩ atĩ aigithia na ahũri biacara nĩ marĩkĩtie gũkorwo magĩkinya gũkũ nĩgetha makorwo magĩtigĩra mũingĩ wa kaunti ya Nyandarua maũgĩ matiganĩte magũtigĩrĩra atĩ nginyagia nĩ magunĩka na maũndũ matiganĩte. Ndĩrĩa tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra na amwe yao nĩ ingĩ marĩ gũkũ thutha wakwa nĩ he matheri, o mũndũ agĩkeria kwendia indo citiganĩte na gũthomithia andũ matiganĩte. Ndĩrĩa tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra na amwe hao haha nĩgetha magĩtũtarĩrie ihi ũndũ ũyũ mawoete na njĩra ĩrĩkũ. No wambie na rĩtwa, ihi ũcoke ũkwĩrwo twĩrĩ ũkoragwo kũ, na ihi mũcirĩtie gũka gwĩka maũndũ maya nĩ ũndũ wake?
Njĩtagwo Renard Njoroge kuma Menengai Drilling Limited, na Menengai yambĩrĩirio nĩ andũ a kuma Nyandarua nĩ tondũ wa kuona mathĩna marĩa makoretwo megie maĩ. So twĩkaga drilling na nĩ twĩkaga equipment ya borehole na nĩ twĩkaga soilization, but moreover thĩinĩ wa drilling rĩ nĩ kuna tuonire thĩinĩ wa Nyandarua rĩ nĩ kũrĩ na mathĩna maingĩ megie mai no ngoro taru ni undu wa weather change taru ro gukihana ri andu aingi mena mathina muno no tugikiona atiriri korwo no kuhoteke kugia na njira uria andu mangiteithika uhoro wigie mai ri Nyandarua ni gukura na gikiro kingi tondu maundu mothe ni uhoro wigie mai tondu tungikiaga mai ri ni murona uria kurathingia ngaragu iria ikuo na mathina maria mekuo maingi maraho ni tondu wa wagi wa mbura na riu tondu ni tuonete ni wega tuke na njira yo ya gwika drilling nigetha na andu a Nyandarua na Kenya at large mahote guteithika thiini wa horo wigie mai na urimi
na drilling ino ni affordable kuri muikari wa Nyandarua kana ihana?
It is very much affordable ni tondu tutiri na bei nene. It is a negotiable price nigetha tuhote kumateithia na ni tukite no horo ucio wa kwaraniria tondu ni horo wa kwaraniria nigetha tuhote guteithania nigetha tuhote guthii na mbere thiini wa Nyandarua county.
Thengio makere ni wa gikeiguo cio tukore tukinyitana no ngia haha hihi no ndirona ukiandikitwo horo wigi conservation of energy na ukorwo gitutariria services cianyu mucirehete guku Nyandarua hihi ugi ucio wanyu mugutigira muikari wa Nyandarua guteithika na njira iriku?
Ni wega hama ritwa jitagwo Joram kana Joram wa Fishermax ni tukoretwo thomithia andu kana tugibundithia andu uhoro wigie gusave maguta tondu maguta ni makoretwo mena goro muno ni technology ukite ni undu wa mundu wothe uhuthagira diesel kana petrol niguo ahote gukorwo atakugia na garama ya iguru ya maguta hindi ugukorwo ati ni urahota gusave maguta maku 40% ya maguta maku ko uhuthagira ngari wakorwo ukuhuthagira ngiri imwe no uhota kuhuthira ciringi 600 ni kumaanisha ati ni urasave maguta maingi muno. Kiu nikio githomo kiria tureheire andu a Nyandarua na kuria kungi kuingi tondu turathi tugithia matura tofauti no andu a Nyandarua ndenda kumera atiriri metikire gusave maguta matige gucina maguta mahuthire product ino ya kuma Dalhin Global itagwo Fishermax ni product njega muno ya gusave maguta.
Thengio makeria ni undu wa mahinda no agikorwo githikiriria guku acio ni Fishermax ukiri na Menengai drillers agukienjera andu mai guku county ya Nyandarua ukiririkanaga ati we mwirori wa Kameme TV county ya Nyandarua niguo kana miene imwe ya county ya Nyandarua ni gukoretwo na thina wa mai na nikio kambuni teno ya Menengai ni maguteithiriria muingi wa guku gutigirira ati ni magukorwo makigia mai na njira iria yagirire. Kenya Bejo Kimwaro korwe mwena wa studio kuma guku Kalau county ni ya Nyandarua handu-ini ya Kameme TV ni jetagwo Francis Mwangi wa wira korwe studio Kimani.
Ngatho muno Francis kuma kuria county-ini ya Nyandarua ugiturehera ciigie githomo kiu gia kiwonjoria niguo andu makigunike na njira imwe kana njira iria ingi. Riu tukwamba guikiria oro hanini thiini wa tabarira ino ya Ndurumeni Matuuraini na tugicokereria ni tuko tugithie county ingi, county ya Kirinyaga, county ya Murang'a na county iria ingi tugukorwo tukiaraniria na andiki aitu a mohoro. Ndugathengie mutambo.
Kameme TV.
Murimi wa iria Kenya handu ya Roma riu Unitas menandetwo mwaki ya gukuria urimi waku merumite kini gutigirira ati ni wona umithio urimi-ini waku wa iria ni marakuhe roni wongerere ruru rwaku o hamwe na kugura irio na dawa cia mahiu no marakuhotithia kurihira ciana school fees na makiria ni ati ni marakuhotithia kwira ng'ombe ciaku insurance. Ningi wakorwo wina roni kundu kungi Unitas ni maguteithagiriria kururiha cera ruhonge ruothe rwa Unitas uhingure account umuthi ugacirithia urimi waku wa iria. Uhoro makiria hura 0709 253 000.
Unitas, you and me.
Kameme TV tugutwikanagiria nduma nigetha wone utheri.
Mwirori wa Kameme TV ruga kunyita ugeni tuthie na mbere na tabarira yitu ya muthenya wa umuthi
na tondu gutire mundu turagia iru akahoya thina
kuru ni kuongorereirwo ni maundu maya mothe
nikio Kameme TV tutamburukagia guoko gwatha tugakunengera kiande gitu ukaririra ho ukeiturura na ithuĩ tukagia na ihinda ria gukugiria maithori kiria gikurituheire tukahota gukwaura murigo wa thina ona wa meciria
ni gucokia ngatho na njuge Ngai amarathime
niguo kogwatha o muthenya wa Jumamothi ciehanda thaa 2 cia utuku Muthee Kiengei guka wa Nairobi agakunengereria kiande giake ukaririra ho
Ayo ndona kugia nyumba yakwa nokaiga aje kiro no kihingo niko gitigarite
niguo kogwatha na Kameme TV.
Kameme TV, muthegi wa ruriri.
Anybody can get stroke.
Hepatitis ona no uge ni kuhutia mundu thigino ya mundu
kumenyeka thina wa higo tigekuo
andu makoragwo mena perception ati TB ni gikorora
TB hatire kega gitangihutia ni TB
tanuka irio icio wega utanameria
tiga mukoroko
tafuna chakula
ni kuri murimu witagwo broken heart syndrome
hala andu aria mena cancer ya mahuri 85% ni ndo wa thigara
to nginya riri urwarire waigwo gitanda-ini no uke for prevention right. It's better than cure
nikyo tuga andu ni magwo no korwo makimenya magithia check up even at least once a year wathi check up karorwo
ni tukwaria horo ungirigitwo atia ungiteithikira ha
ni undu wa kuramata ugima mwega wa mwiri nyitanagira nani wa Gicua Kariuki muthenya wa kiumia thinacera nginyagia themwe cia hwaini haha thiini wa tabarira ya riri na ugima Kameme TV muthegi wa ruriri.
Na ngage kunyita ugeni tuingire thiini wa ikereka ria kere Ndurumeni Matuuraini tugithie na mbere na kunyitanira na andiki aitwa mohoro kuma kundu na kundu niguo matumenyithie maundu maikarite atia na uria maragithie na mbere na kwiyumiria riu reke tuthie kuria kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga arugamiriri githomo arutani hamwe na aciari mari mucemanio-ini thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Kaitheri kaunti-ini ino ya Kirinyaga niguo kwariria ciigie githomo kaunti-ini ino hamwe na mathomo ma junior secondary. Mucemanio uyu ukite oriri thirikari ikoretwo ikihinyiriria ciari gutigirira arutwo othe ni maingira mathukuru-ini ma junior secondary. Riu tuguthikiriria uria miario iragithie na mbere mucemanio-ini ucio kuria wainaina wa kiaria ni mwandiki witu ari
as to why that was done, and also it comes along with very many advantages. One, meaning that even as they progress, right now, if they were not in primary school, all those parents who had children in grade 6 would even have been fighting and sweating, looking for national schools, extra county schools. Every child, every parent wants their child positioned in a school of their choice. But now that it is domiciled in primary school, that war is not there, and so there will be no more categorization of school as such. So every school is best. Like we are saying, all our that is school, primary schools that are have domiciled JSS are the best, and all our 25 private schools in the Kirinyaga Central are the best. Hakuna ile mzazi tu atachagua na apeleke mtoto wake ambako anataka. So that is one advantage of the junior secondary schools being domiciled in primary school. Another one, over time, research has shown that when parents have their children more time, they instill unto them many values and they are able to bond. So these JSS learners, because they are in day schools, then they have quite a good exposure and to an enriching and a strong relationship with their families, which is not interrupted at all. And so as a parent, you have also a moral duty and responsibility to ensure that you instill the values by providing moral guidance to your child. And again, coming with JSS in primary schools are the reduced costs and access, and also ensuring 100% progression or transition. So JSS being in primary school is an advantage to us, and as parents we play a very key role in ensuring that we get these benefits. So as we are saying, there will be reduced costs, there will be easy access, and also the progression rates will be higher. And for this to happen, then parents, for JSS to really come a reality and give us those benefits, it is our responsibility as parents to ensure that our children get access and that they get to our schools safe, to and from our schools. As you may have seen in most of the schools, there has been branding, so you will not be asking why no more Kaideri Primary School. The Presidential Working Party also in their guidelines provides that the schools will be renamed, so that instead of having Kaideri Primary School, it will be Kaideri School, and then under it you can have the pre-primary, primary, and junior secondary. Also, when somebody was talking, they talked about opening of bank accounts. The JSS, for easy management, has opened 3 mandatory accounts, of course, plus another extra one. And when the parents who have their children in junior secondary school decide that they will have a lunch program organized, which is fact is the best. If I were asked, that is what as parents would do. But then when you look at it, it is even cheaper, and it also provides that your children will eat hot meals which are healthier. Nutritionists tell us that hot food is beneficial to our bodies as compared to cold foods. So in case you think of that, then you'll have an account, an operational account for school funds where you can deposit money for the lunch programs alongside the 3 other mandatory accounts. Then, so that you also don't ask lots of questions, in the implementation of JSS, there is an interim, or what we are calling the transition board of management, which will be there for this year for purposes of transition. Later it will be expected that the junior secondary school will now have a fully fledged board of management. Also, so that you see where you come in also as parents, the junior secondary school is expected also to have its facilities. Remember, we are saying it has been domiciled in a primary school, but that translates into having its resources. So when you are called
Guo niguo gukihana kuria kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga. Hau ni maundu makigimainie na githomo na mibango iria igitwo ni undu wa mutaratara uyu mweru wa githomo wa CBC niguo gwikuruhania arutwo othe na njira iria igibatie. Reke tuthie kaunti rigainie na kaunti ya Kirinyaga kuria kumana na wongerereku wa woici matuka-ini tauni-ini ya Embu na icagi-ini iria irigainie na tauni ino. Ahuri biacara kaunti-ini no ni maroria minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Kithure Kindiki guthuthuria honge cia ugitiri kaunti-ini no amu nio magondereire wira-ini wao. Mwandiki witu Dennis Fundi ni ararumania na ndeto ino na riu reke tunyitane nake. Fundi, angikorwo ni urakejigua ni mateta ma muthemba uriku turakiaria uhoro wa mumegemaini na uhaguku wa ugitiri thiini wa kana tauni-ini ya Embu? angikorwo ni uranjigua fundi ohoro wigi ugitiri uhana atia ni woici wa indo duka-ini kana kurathia atia ni maundu mariku mareyumiria ni andu maratharikirwo kana ni atia kurathie na mbere mwena ucio wigie uhaguku wa ugitiri?
Ni wega muno wewe studio kabindari gaka ni thini wa tauni ya Embu kwarandiria na avuri biacara na ndomo na ikari ya tauni ino kurumirira utiruka kugitiri uri wa mbere wa mwaka muthiru mweri wa kenda ikari ya guku makoretwo magikara na kuyuga kwingi kana na guya mwingi kirume githikana wa muthenya kundu gutiganite no nginya misi kana musi wa mundu gakorwo na twigwa na indo cia nyumba ta TV na indo cingitangaza gakorwo ikigwa na makire mugufera mararuta biacara na makire matauniri kwanduka ciao niravunjwa ni ekinae na indo ta thimu gukorwo ikewa na magakorwo makiandikithia athara nene. Ngicoka buva kidogo muthenya wa Jumapili kwina kimwana kia gutwarithia nduthi giatukire gakoragwo na njira inakiriga guku muthenya cio rumiririte wa Jumatatu mundu ingina kiatukwa koragwo na njira inakiriga bakuvi na ofisi ya sivu wa mwena uyu wa Kirimari mama ugitiri ni makoretwo magisukuma ekari korwa makiarandiria na gusukuma nginya mbonge cio gitiri korwa magikathika mitaratara mikinyaniru ya gutigira ugitiri nura marira thini wa tauni ino na isagiriti irigiciritie tauni ino undu uria ukoretwe utakuonekana kuko kabindari gaka ni kuongeandikirania na ekari ya tauni ino ningo na makuviriria tombete na marito maku undu uyu ukoretwe ukionekana kana maundu mogitiri makoretwe makionekana mavinda kwa mavinda urandikithia atia kana ni ritana riri kwina rio kwi na makire kwi president na undu umwe na minister ugitiri wa ndari wa bururi
va marito makwa mbitagwa Esponi Nyaga aka Gangara kuringana na maundu maria mathiete thiini wa Embu County security yetu tempega na tutiramenya aswa baria bangikorwo bavetanite ni bariku tondu thaino matuka nitakwa kwina kiundu kivangitwe kia gucambulira manduka arabu nginyagia mauanji ni mengivite muno taru iso riri rirathirire runyenjes mwarimu wina kathukuru kanini nurabamirwe na nginyagia ate mankwa andu acio magitia mbia ava twathie guku gwetu Embu town ava ndutagira wira jua kali muthenya wingi ni kurahoragirwo mundu kwa mundu ana kavio na thi gutewa na guku kugu ni turavoa security ya Embu County tempega wanakorwo kwina kiangazi gitigatuike nikio sapapiso ya gukorwo niguo thina andu megwati undu wa kaire drug thini wa Embu County irendu atharani kuroneka ta kwana Josu manaruta wira wa kunywa vangi na mandawa magisiragio voro wa ukora kugu nompo security yetu ya Embu County ni ya Kenya ngima ni magucie soksi ni mamenye vale vangikorwo vavitanite nigetha mamenye na korwo ni thigarita ingikorwo inini ni ciongererwe security korwo inene na patrol wa ndagika nyomba iravunjwa muthenya kwenje kurataimwa ukiuma uguo ni gukiria andu na ngari magakua indo na makathi nacio security tuye mundu wothe aregua security yake taimpega koguo no mpoe thirikari kuma iguru itongoretio ni mundu wetagwa Kindiki na president wetu ni mamenye uria magwikira thirikari vinya wakaire taruwe bagwetu kura na nginya mbara cia muthigari na sivo nwathikiria ngi mararwira ringine uyu no wasanagia mbia cia bangi akareterwa uyu no nyitire ndeto kugu mbara icio ithini wa security na cio ithire nigetha mwana inchi avewe security. Thank you.
Usini mugambo wa mwekari wa Embu na makeria muvuri biashara ngorogeraniri na muvuri biashara wingi tobarite na marito maku names wana koro ithini wa kiama kia Chamber of Commerce wita mwene gitina ni mwenda utarithie ni maundu mane kurona ta kwa messenger na ringi ni atia gubati gwiko niguo gitire utuke wa kugacirire guku thini wa tauni ya Embu.
Thank you. Nitagwo Kanyua Maina ndi mutongoria wa kaunti ya Embu sector ya biashara no njuge ugitiri witu ni ucokete guthuka muno undu mukonie kuma September last year tuyagwo o muthenya nearly every day gutie nduka etayagwo o muthenya no ovulate nginya watchman witu umwe wajua kali ni arate magirwo no maundu macio mari igoti-ini mari borithi na tukwenda borithi manyitane. Secondary ono githiore na hari ya sewage no itu ikoragwo yandikitwo watchman ya kawaida a muthenya no tuku tondu andu moragagwo magikagio sewage kana cia ona waganu wothe wikagirwo ku sewage na tweciragia ati hiria twehereirio muiciro wari muru muno ni kuhorera handu ha kuhorera ni gwathire na mbere bururi ugithukaga no turia atiriri atongoria aitu aria tucagurite na aria me national government niki maikare thi mamenye niki kurairwo tondu patrol itu ndioria kana borithi mapatrolaga muthenya kana ni utuku tondu tauni ino ni nini ikoragwo na barabara about 45 na ni ine kuiyagwo na borithi iri gatagati ga tauni ko ni turoria atiri no turia borithi ni pull up their socks tutige kuiwo ni matige gukoma haria OCS rutawira OCPD rutawira county commandant urokiri ororiu ikarathi na stakeholders ni tugukwira haria thina uri na nigetha hote kuruta wira otherwise ni turadigwo instruction iraheanwo no ni politicians kana national government tondu hau hena thina tukorio kwina mugucanio borithi matie na muraro ya kuruta wira no twende ati andu no maikare thi o mundu arute wira wake politicians ni arute wira wake andu a borithi no marute wira wake tondu otherwise no twende night patrol improve na secondary ni tukwenda estate ciongererwo nyamu citagwo police post nigetha andu acio metigire ko ni tukuria pull up your socks ugitire ni ukiririo
ni wega muno ni msemathane mathite kurangira ndina mwikari wa muthiane turamenya governor wa county ya Embu nikio koragwo ethino wa kamiti ugitiri na mwita muvuri biashara niria ungimuria ate ni gugutigirira ni muraruta ni mwagerera ria garia kurutira biashara guku tauni ya Embu rode kamera
nie Benjamin Peter Ndwega ni muruti wa biashara thini wa tauni ya Embu na varia nonga bitaru dutete wira from 1970 never doraga from all that time no thina twina guo muno ni wa wish they were Embu town and other towns at the same time tuthigwa ni Embu yonga na ederia tukuraiwa kuma riria andu amera mambiririe guka guku ni gwatukire insecurity throughout one duka cia baivunjitwe teno gwitwa Jamii Trust Limited yo muretwo baita maire ai na mombanaga ndeguru duka ingi yabaretwo kamwana bani restaurant ithitaga rutwagiria bia na karutwagiria TV ikathie na bari amari bari na kiuthi kiria kitho kia pool kira uthwa utuko na muthenya 24 hours na ke only 10 meters from bari kure kuraiwa na duka jira vunjwa maivo na maroretie kana mataroretie 3 bandu bau na bathenginya security ya muthigari wekaraga nthi bau particularly then weyo ororeka kumana na security ire guku right runi rari uguo kwe already mundu gakwegori ni kurairwe mba kurairwe ni roda rori nene muno kwa hiyo cionthe bamwe na TV ile yekucia 50 inches na 20 inches all those nyenge muno na nyamu icio kwewa already borithi ni marathie round na kuria mari itujira rutiro for a long time muda mrefu sana no ideo gutie borithi eva kuve borithi rathie round matiga hothora ni security yo niyo ina twacio onthe imaigete no uciezi ndana thina kuri ofisire akathire wakanyamu no araba kwa ni mundu arakira madaraka ndu kuja takwige twega muno na already ni we ucio ara entertainwa naguo nigetho thie na mbere makiria ko security niyo nwe tondu ndithe nginya gwa kabeji na ngathie na traders tukaria maundu manene nginya twakoso governor no tutio ndwaneke kaidea wa bora nothing nginya marwa tukandika nothing kogo we traders we are suffering okay na already ba then watu kaida twena cio kutirendia anything ni undu wa mira in Embu town
nwega muno usiri mwikari wa county Embu kiruta mateta make na maragwa nwega muno mbonge cio gitiri kurikirwo na njira ina waragani ikiruta na njira ina waragani guku makiuragia kamete ugitiri thina county Embu kurekeraniria na kuregitana mucemanio na agwatitimi matiganite niguo kumati ugitiri thina wa town ya Embu ni mweri mwe tu muvuri biashara urari biashara vuri biashara iri maratukire kwa mbeca ira kuviria kindu milioni 1 guku mithenya iri mivituku kwina muvuri biashara murairwo indo cia mwegano wa milioni 260 na wengi akiwa indo cia mwegano wa 200 na mandu mothe makora makivura report kwi vorithi kwi session ya vorithi ya town ya Embu no ati gutina undu wana manavura vorithi gutina mwikina ugwatagwa na akikunyitanirwa na ciiko icio na koguo ritana riao ni wa mundu kana watongoria agwatite mionthe mekare nthina kumenya uria mogukana kivonia kia mathina mogitiri thini wa town ya Embu na undu umwe na kundu kuria kwingi thini wa county ino ya Embu kuma county ya Embu ni ngacokia mwaro kweni Beta Dennis Fundi
tugukihoka aria maragika wikina imwe no cio ni mekogwatwa ndaigua magwatagwa ni kunyitwo kuu Nake tuthie kuria kaunti-ini ya Laikipia uheani wa ceki cia basari mathukuru-ini ma secondary gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Laikipia irathiro no ambiriirie kuria makiri ma arutwo mekuguneka kwa ihinda riri igongona ria uheani wa basari rirathie na mbere thukuru-ini wa secondary wa Liki riria riratongorio ni mũmbunge wa mwena ucio Mwangi wa Kĩonjũri. Paul Mwaniki ni mwandiki witũ reke rĩu tũnyitane nake atumenyithie maũndũ ũrĩa makĩhana nĩ arutwo igana makugunĩka angĩkorwo nĩ ũrakĩnjigua Paul tumenyithie ũrĩa gũikarĩte.
Wete na otoguo oiga muthenya wa umuthi ni muthenya munene muno makiria kuri arutwo a muthukuru wa secondary kana wa muthenya wa Liki mixed na thukuru uyu ni thukuru ukoretwo ukigunika na gikiro kinene muno na kina giki kia CDF ya national government kuhitukira abunge aria makoretwo ho na otoguo oiga ati igongona ria umuthi ni ria gukorwo magituga kana makiheana ceki cia basari kuri arutwo aria magukorwo makigunika thiini wa thukuru uyu wambiriirie kumana na wendi munene wa aciari a gicagi kia Liki kuona ati ni maremagwo kana ni magaga kuria mangitwara ciana ciao no kiambiriria mwaka-ini wa 2017 na wakitwo cukuru uri wothe na kigina giki gia CDF na muthenya wa muthia tugwatariria mũmbunge wa Laikipia irathiro Mwangi Kĩonjũri eguko kuria araruguria basari ino na tukirora uria basari igukorwo ikiheanwo thiini wa gicigo kia bunge kia Laikipia irathiro gukoragwo na wodi ithano na wodi ya Umande ni gukorwo gukiheo ciana 1,080 basari tukithie wodi ya Tegethi ni gukorwo gukiheanwo ciana 1,500 wodi ya Gombeti gukorwo gukiheo ciana 1,662 na wodi-ini ya Nanyuki gukorwo gukiheo ciana 1,476 na twarora ni ati ciana iria gukorwo cikigunika na basari iri yothe ni ciana 6,940 kuria ici no iria cikoretwo cihuritie fomu na igakorwo fomu icio igakorwo cikinyitio wabici-ini ya CDF na mbeca makiria ma ciringi milioni 40 igakorwo ikigaywo tukiririkana ati ici ni ciana cia thukuru cia day iria ni ciana 3,290 ciana cia mathukuru ma gukomwo nimo ma boarding cigukorwo ari ciana 2,483 na cio ciana iria cie ma university ni ciana 508 na tukirora mathukuru maria mangi maria makoretwo tugeta ma colleges gukorwo gukiheo ciana 606 na cio ciana ikoragwo na mawathe ikorwo ikiheo kana ikigundika ciana 53 tugukorwo tukinyitanira na muikari umwe wa guku kiria kaunti-ini ya Laikipia muno makiria gicigo kia bunge ya Laikipia uria ukoretwo agithiururuka matura-ini atwire hihi moritu kwiriria MC wa Njogu ni ukoretwo uri umwe wa andu makoretwo nginya magiteithia andu aria makoragwo na murimu wa cancer na nigwiciria ni ukoretwo ukiona mathina maria ciana nyingi iragerera hihi undu toyo kana basari no ri yurate gukorwo ikimaruta ukombo-ini ucio kuona aigi nginya thaa ici me thukuru matihetwo nginya gukorwo makirihirwo marihi ma thukuru.
Reke ngucokerie ngatho muno Ndung'u wa Mwaniki ni tondu ni tuonete uteithio uria utuikite uteithio munene muno kuri ithuĩ andu aya a kawaida gitumi ni undu muthenya ta wa umuthi gikeno kiria kiri guku itura riri ria Liki warikiria Liki ni gicagi na gerigainie ona majengo ciana iria iguku nyingi aciari ao ni aria marutaga ibarua iria iri thi muno aingi mari kuria migunda-ini ya mahua aingi ni aria mahuraga nguo micii-ini ya andu na aria angi ni aria makoragwo kuria thoko ni gikeno kia mwanya muno ona ungithii ugwe tauni ukiururaga umuthi ni